Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on the Reset option. And as you can see, actually, right in the middle of this first section, we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it. And here, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because it will include the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings if you are ready. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And here, your device is warning you that this action cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.